Welcome back to class TYBSc Environmental Science. Subject Environmental Biotechnology. First, Chapter 1st Environmental Biotechnology. Lecture 2nd. Under the topic is History and Objectives of Environmental Biotechnology. History of Environmental Biotechnology. Throughout the history, man has gained closer insight into the natural things and continually striving to control the environment and the things which are having life to use them for his own needs. Different methods involving biological activities used anciently as traditionally, cultivation of plants seems as biotechnological applications, agricultural which was human derived use biotechnology to make the products. Agricultural has become the dominant system to produce food since Neolithic age by the early biotechnology, as we had many different types of crops to cultivate has increased to maintain. Early farmer discover that specific organisms and their byproduct having highest yield will produce more food for growing population. In the course of history of agricultural farmer change the genetics of their crop breed them with other plants in different environmental condition, which was one of the form of biotechnology. In the modern age, people started baking cake and making wine with grapes at professional level. At the time of medieval association of merchants called guild ruled over trading, many changes have occurred in technology and trend. After the discovery of Leeuwenhoek, microscopic microorganism could be seen in 1865. Only after 200 years, Pasteur has given scientific description for fermentation processes. At that time, another achievement was done at a session of the Hungarian Society of Natural Sciences on 13 November 1861. A Hungarian chemist M. Price reported on a procedure for the preservation of wine by heat treatment. His method was published, however, only in 1865. After Pasteur's famous publication, the discovery has not given legal priority. It is generally not known that the term biotechnology was first used by Hungarian expert K. Eric. In his book published in 1919, The Biotechnology of Meat, Fat and Milk Production in the Agricultural Plant. Since ancient time, Hungarians were interested in life-related problems. To resolve them, humankind was interested in biology since the close relationship with nature and adopted the attitude of observing the field of science. American Chemical Society defined biotechnology as the application of biological organisms, systems, or processes by various industries to learn about the science of life and the improvement of the value of material and organisms such as pharmaceutical, crop, and livestock. As per European Federation of Biotechnology, biotechnology is the integration of natural science and organisms, cell, part thereof and molecular analog for product and services. Basically, biotechnology are classified into four major categories including crop production and agricultural, healthcare, medical, environmental and industrial biotechnologies, a series of terms coined for the identified branches biotechnologies. For example, all these are the four branches: green biotechnology, red biotechnology, blue biotechnology, white biotechnology. Green biotechnology, it is the technology applied to agricultural processes. Red biotechnology, it is the technology used in medical application. Blue biotechnology is the term used to describe aquatic and marine application of biotechnology. And white technology, it is the technology used to industrial processes. All these derived technologies of biotechnology are come out and named modern biotechnology. It is updated term of traditional biotechnology Modern biotechnology is a term adopted by international convention to refer to biotechnological technique for the manipulation of genetic material and the fusion of cells beyond normal breeding barrier, and it also refers to the intentional modification and manipulation living organisms and organic matter. The main technique that gave birth to modern biotechnology are genetic engineering and biochemical engineering. In genetic engineering, this technique involves the changes of nature of genetic matter of a living organisms and to introduce into host organism to alter the nature of host organism. In biochemical engineering, this technique involves the maintenance of sterile condition of a desired microorganism in biotechnological processes to get the product like enzyme, hormones, antibiotics, vaccine and medicine. World has updated with new applications of biotechnology from traditional to modern biotechnology. All over the world, same country has their history of maintaining biotechnological application with update modern biotechnological techniques. Next point in that chapter is objectives. The aim of environmental biotechnology is to prevent, arrest, and reverse environmental degradation through the appropriate use of biotechnology in combination with other technologies while supporting safety procedures as a primary component of the program. Objectives. One of the main objectives of environmental biotechnology is the conservation of resource via the recycling of waste material. The recoveries of more valuable products such as metal, oil and vitamins are important aspect of this technology. Use of microorganism in recovery of mineral of commercial interest is also an interesting area. Reclaiming organically polluted water, application of microbes to degrade recalcitrant compounds, use of animal waste as a fertilizer, recycling of microbial protein as an animal feed, and removal of heavy metal found in sewage sludge are examples of this type of technology. Use of bacterial ore leaching help in recovering metal from low-grade ores. Of late, the contribution of bacterial leaching to copper recovery is increasing. Solubilization of metal by bacteria from ore proceed by either direct leaching or indirect leaching. And the next other are the specific objectives, and that specific objectives, first one is to adopt production processes that make optimal use of natural resources by recycling biomass, recovering energy and minimizing waste generation. To promote the use of biotechnological technique with emphasis on bioremediation of land and water, waste treatment, soil conservation, reforestation, afforestation and land rehabilitation. Third, to apply biotechnological processes and their product to protect environmental integrity with a view to long-term ecological security. Fourth one, use of biotechnology to treat pollution problem is not a new idea. Communities have depends on complex population of naturally occurring microbes for sewage treatment for over a century. Every living organism, animal, plant, bacteria and so forth ingests nutrient to life and produces a waste as a byproduct. Different organisms need different types of nutrient. Thank you.